So in this video, I will be showing you how to access the teacher websites at Westport High School. So first you'll just type in Westport High School into your default browser, and then you'll be redirected to a page that says Westport High School, and make sure you click on Marion County Public Schools. From there on, you'll be brought to our school's webpage. So on this webpage, you can find information about the coronavirus and about other school closures, and then you can also just find general information about the school as a whole. Then after that, you can scroll down and there's tabs at the top. So for this video, we'll be using the faculty and staff tab and the teacher websites tab. So there's two ways to actually access the teacher websites. You can either access it through the actual tab that says teacher websites, or you can go into the faculty and staff tab and then scroll down to teacher websites. You'll then be redirected to a page that has all of the teachers at Westport on it. So if you scroll through, just make sure you find your teacher, and you'll find it with their first and last name. And then after that, you can click on it and you can see assignments that the teacher has posted, as well as any other information that the teacher has included about this class. So for this video, we're just going to click on Miss Craig's website. And then from there, you can see this is her homepage, and then you click on assignments, and then you can see where you can find assignments for a class and where you could also access assignments.